Lesson 5. Sounds and letters. 1. Listen and say. We're going to write say. And this is a say. Complete. Going to listen.
Ah, ah, ah. Cat. Air, air, air. Pen. I, I, I. Fig. O, o, o. Dog. Ah, ah, ah. Cub.
Okay, now we're going to group number 2. Listen and say. Notice that this is the sound A. A. Listen and say the chant. Chant. Then write the letters. First read. The black cat is under the red bed. My mom has got a funny wig. The frog and the dog are on the log. Okay, now we're going to listen the song.
The black cat is under the red bed. My mum has got a funny wig. The frog and the dog are on the log.
Okay, one more time. Now you can sing.
The black cat is under the red bed. My mum has got a funny wig. The frog and the dog are on the log.
Yes, okay, very good. Now you can sing a cappella. The black cat is under the red bed. My mom has got a funny wig. The frog and the dog are on the